So in this video, you'll learn how to enable RAM Plus on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to just navigate to Settings, and once you're in Settings, you're going to scroll and select the option Device Care. Under Device Care, look for Memory and tap on it. And then from here, look for RAM Plus, and then you're going to select it. So RAM Plus is a feature that simply converts any of your storage into virtual memory, so additional RAM, so that your phone can run even faster than it already is. So in order for you to use this feature, you're just going to tap on the toggle at the top to enable it, and then you'll be prompted to confirm how much storage you want to convert into virtual memory. So you have 2 GB, 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB, and 12 GB, again depending on the amount of storage your Z Fold has. Once you find your preferred option, you're just going to select it. And once you've selected it, tap on OK. From here, in order for your device to apply the changes, you will need to go through with a restart process so that the changes are applied onto your Z Fold 7. Once your Fold has successfully restarted, RAM Plus will now be enabled on it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.